5 Amazing Science Facts. 1. The human stomach can dissolve razor blades. If you ever swallow a razor blade, don't panic. The human body is more capable than you think. Acids are ranked on a scale from 0 to 14, the lower the pH level, the stronger the acid. Human stomach acid is typically 1. 0 to 2. 0, meaning that it has an incredibly strong pH. In a study published in the journal Gastrointestinal Endoscopy, scientists found that the thickened back of a single-edged blade dissolved after 2 hours of immersion in stomach acid. 2. A laser can get trapped in water. A cool thing called total internal reflection happens when you point a laser beam at a jet of flowing water. To demonstrate this phenomenon, PBS Learning Media released a video in which a laser is positioned on one side of a clear tank of water. When the light travels through the water, it is slowed by the heavier particles in the water, effectively trapping the laser beam in the water. Even as the water flow is gradually decreased, the laser beam remains contained inside the jet, until it eventually disappears when the water is turned off completely. 3. Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean. Have you ever stopped to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought may be a rainforest, but here's a cool science fact for you: we can thank plant-based marine organisms for all that fresh air, according to the National Oceanic Service. Plankton, seaweed, and other photosynthesizers produce more than half of the world's oxygen. 4. Animals use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. Lost land animals may not be able to find their way home, but sea animals might. According to the U. Geological Survey, USGS, there is evidence that some animals, like sea turtles and salmon, have the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field and can use this sense for navigation. Though that may sound like science fiction, it's actually science fact, unlike these animal facts that are actually false. 5. A cloud can weigh around 1 million pounds. Your childhood dreams of floating on a weightless cloud may not withstand this science fact. The average cumulus cloud can weigh up to 1 million pounds, according to the USGS. That's about as heavy as the world's largest jet when it's completely full of cargo and passengers.